Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plastic made from corn. It's a game changer for our planet. You see, regular plastic is made from oil, and it takes hundreds of years to break down. That's a big problem for our landfills and oceans, but don't worry, there's hope. Scientists have found a way to make plastic from corn, a natural and renewable resource. This means we can create everyday products without relying so heavily on fossil fuels. Plus, corn plastic breaks down much faster than traditional plastic, reducing our environmental impact. Imagine a future where our plastic bottles and bags don't clog up landfills for centuries. That's the promise of corn plastic. It's a sustainable solution that can help us protect our planet for generations to come. So buckle up as we explore the amazing science behind this eco-friendly alternative. Get ready to be amazed by the power of corn. Making plastic from corn is like baking a cake. It involves a series of steps. First, we harvest the corn and extract the sugary glucose from its kernels. Think of it like getting the sugar ready for our recipe. Next, we introduce tiny helpers called microorganisms to the mix. These microbes feast on the glucose and produce lactic acid as a byproduct. It's like the yeast making our cake rise. This lactic acid is the key ingredient in creating corn plastic. We then collect the lactic acid and put it through a special process called polymerization. This is where things get interesting. During polymerization, the lactic acid molecules join together like building blocks, forming long chains. These chains are what give plastic its structure and strength. Finally, the solidified plastic is ready to be molded and shaped into various products. From water bottles to food containers, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? This entire process is much gentler on our environment compared to traditional plastic production. Corn plastic offers a bunch of benefits for our planet. First, it's made from a renewable resource corn. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite, corn can be grown year after year. This means we have a sustainable source of materials for making plastic. Second, corn plastic is biodegradable. This means it can be broken down by microorganisms into natural substances like water and carbon dioxide. This process happens much faster than the decomposition of traditional plastic, which can take hundreds of years. Third, using corn to make plastic reduces our dependence on oil. This is important because oil extraction and refining contribute to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing corn plastic, we're taking a step towards a cleaner and healthier environment. Lastly, corn plastic production often requires less energy than traditional plastic production. This means we're using less energy and reducing our carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation for both our planet and our future. While corn plastic offers a promising solution, there are still a few bumps on the road. One challenge is that corn plastic production can sometimes require more land and resources compared to traditional plastic. This is because we need to allocate land for growing corn instead of other crops. Another challenge is that corn plastic isn't always as durable as traditional plastic. This means it might not be suitable for all applications, especially those requiring high strength and durability. However, scientists are constantly working on improving the properties of corn plastic to overcome this limitation. Cost can also be a factor. Currently, corn plastic production can be more expensive than traditional plastic production. This is mainly due to the technology and processes involved. However, as the demand for corn plastic increases and production becomes more efficient, we can expect the cost to become more competitive. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of corn plastic far outweigh the drawbacks. With continued research and innovation, we can overcome these obstacles and pave the way for a more sustainable future. Section 5. A promising future, corn plastic leading the way. The future of corn plastic is looking bright. As more people become aware of the environmental impact of traditional plastic, the demand for sustainable alternatives like corn plastic is increasing. This growing demand is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with bioplastics. Scientists are constantly working on improving the properties of corn plastic, making it stronger, more durable, and suitable for a wider range of applications. Imagine a future where everything from car parts to medical devices can be made from this eco-friendly material. Moreover, governments and organizations worldwide are implementing policies and initiatives to promote the use of bioplastics. This support is crucial in accelerating the transition from traditional plastic to more sustainable alternatives. Corn plastic is not just a pipe dream, It's a tangible solution that's already making a difference. By embracing this innovative material, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, protect our planet, and create a healthier future for generations to come. Section 6. The science behind bioplastics. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the science behind bioplastics like those made from corn. These amazing materials are made from natural polymers, which are large molecules found in plants and animals. In the case of corn plastic, the key polymer is called polylactic acid, or PLA for short. PLA is derived from the starch in corn kernels through a fermentation process. Remember those tiny microorganisms we talked about earlier? They're the ones responsible for converting the cornstarch into lactic acid, the building block of PLA. Once we have lactic acid, it undergoes a chemical reaction called polymerization. This process links together many lactic acid molecules to form long chains, just like beads on a string. These long chains are what give PLA its plastic-like properties. What's really cool about PLA is that it's a biodegradable and compostable polymer. This means that under the right conditions, microorganisms can break it down into natural substances like water and carbon dioxide, leaving no harmful residues behind. Section 7. Corn plastic versus traditional plastic A head-to-head. So how does corn plastic stack up against traditional plastic? Let's compare these two materials head-to-head. Traditional plastic is derived from petroleum, a fossil fuel. Corn plastic, on the other hand, is made from corn, a renewable resource. Traditional plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, polluting our landfills and oceans. Corn plastic, being biodegradable, breaks down much faster under the right conditions, reducing our environmental impact. Corn is a renewable resource, meaning we can grow more of it. Petroleum, on the other hand, is a finite resource that takes millions of years to form. The production of traditional plastic releases significant amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Corn plastic production generally has a lower carbon footprint. Overall, corn plastic emerges as a more sustainable option, considering its renewable source, biodegradability, and lower environmental impact. While corn plastic may not be as strong or durable as traditional plastic in all applications, its environmental benefits make it a compelling alternative for a wide range of products. Section 8. Beyond the plastic bag. Applications of corn-based polymers. Corn plastic isn't just for bags and bottles. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of applications, some of which might surprise you. Corn plastic is a popular choice for food packaging, including containers, films, and wraps. Its biodegradability makes it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic packaging. Forks, spoons, and knives made from corn plastic offer a sustainable alternative to their traditional counterparts. They can be composted after use, reducing waste in landfills. Corn-based polymers can be spun into fibers to create fabrics for clothing and other textile applications. These fabrics are often biodegradable and have a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic fabrics. PLA filament derived from corn is a popular material for 3D printing. Its biodegradability and ease of use make it a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. Corn-based polymers are also finding applications in the medical field, such as in biodegradable sutures, implants, and drug delivery systems. As research and development continue, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of corn-based polymers in the future. Section 9. Embracing a sustainable future, corn plastic and beyond. The journey towards a more sustainable future involves making conscious choices about the materials we use. Corn plastic, with its renewable source and biodegradability, presents a promising step in the right direction. By choosing products made from corn plastic, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, minimize our environmental impact, and contribute to a healthier planet for generations to come. But corn plastic is just one piece of the puzzle. We need to continue exploring and embracing other sustainable materials and technologies to create a truly circular economy where waste is minimized and resources are used responsibly. Remember, even small changes in our daily lives can make a big difference. By supporting sustainable products and practices, we can all be part of the solution and create a brighter future for our planet. So, let's join hands, embrace innovation, and work together to build a world where sustainability is not just a goal, but a way of life.